In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to refund a game on Epic Games. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will have the option to refund any games that you purchase on Epic Games through the official website, so go to www.store.epicgames.com, and when you arrive at the website, sign into the account that has the transactions that you want to refund. Once you are signed in, hover over your name in the top right corner of the screen and select Account from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to your account management page, and what you have to do in here is go over to the Transactions tab. As you can notice, my account doesn't have any purchases, but if you do, they will be listed here like so. All you have to do is select any of them that you would like to ask for a refund, and at the right side there will be the Request Refund button. Keep in mind that you must meet the Epic Games Star Refund policy that you can find in this page over here. And as long as you meet these requirements, you can follow the instructions that I'm showing you on screen to actually get the refund. Select the reason, and as long as you are approved, you will be able to refund any transaction made that is available on this page. You can do this as many times as you wish with as many transactions that you have, as long as you do this process through the official website and you meet the requirements. I hope I was able to help you on how to refund a game on Epic Games. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.